Right, ake sikubingelele sikwamukele-ke ey'ndabeni Hlubi Online News. Njengamanje-ke sila e-Soft Start e-Midrand, sizibika bukhoma, uzithola zinjalo. Lezi ndaba azihleliwe, azihluziwe, uzithola nje zinjalo. Njengamanje-ke ake sikuthathe sikubeke i-ASFAT i-organization yamadlomo eyi-NPO iyakusiza njengamanje ikuxhumanise nama-officials ka-government. Le mihlangano eyenziwa i-ASFAT ikubizela ama-officials ka-government, ikubizele abantu abazokwazi ukuthi u-interact-e nabo, ukhulume nabo for ukuthi ibhizinisi lakho ulithola kanjani ukuthi liqhubekele phambili, ukwazi ukuthi uthole usizo ngebhizinisi lakho. Amadlomo Sibushwana Family Tree. Ake singene ngaphakathi uyibonele.
Sipromota into ye-unity. Siyakhuthaza kakhulu ukuthi abantu abana-same ideas, they must combine their ideas and go forward. Why senza kanjalo? Sibe kwi-study tour ku-2022 la sifunde khona ngendaba yokubaluleka kwama-cooperatives. If uya elokhuzeni eGerman, besiseGerman, it's only 3% ye-unemployment. Ichaza ukuthi lonto akuna unemployment. Kahle kahle kwenziwa lento yasesikoleni kudala kwakuthiwa ingane ayimthola 100 over 100. Over to you.
uDlomo uzele uMashiya. uMashiya wazala uNtsele. Kungakho-ke ngithi-ke namhlanje siyifamily. So indodana yethu-ke njengoba ilapha. So sisuka kuDlomo nqa ngithina. uDlomo kwakuyinkosi, i-king yamapembe. Ngabo 1100 years. Kwase kukhona leso sizwe kuthiwa ngamapembe esajike kwathiwa amaHlubi. Kodwa-ke asikho namhlanje kulokho ngoba njengoba sehlukene sinje akufunekanga sichithela nini isikhathi. Ngizojabula nje ukubonga ngithi ngiyabonga Chairperson siswethu Mabala Mathulela, our member of parliament. Ngibonge nawe deputy president ka-ASFAT utata uDela. Ngibonge ku-treasurer general uNandi Mbulawo. Ngibonge ku-national coordinator yethu uSiya. So-ke thina-ke singu-ASFAT, singamadlomo, sisaqale senza lento ekuthiwa yi-family tree ukuthi sibize wonke amadlomo. Amadlomo are made up of different surnames. Sinama-surname amaningi ahlukene. Sina over 65 families. Izibongo ezahlukeneyo zamadlomo. So under that singaphansi kwe-nation yamaHlubi. Iking yethu yamaHlubi uKing uLanga Libalele, umuzi wenkosi Langa Libalele Rhadebe, ole eMtshezi e-KZN kulapho ekhona. So-ke ngicela siyazi imvelaphi yethu, but-ke singeke sanichithela isikhathi namhlanje, kodwa i-address yami namhlanje bengifuna ukuzokhuluma ngomnombo ukuthi kuze kuthiwa amaHlubi avelaphi amaHlubi, ukuze kuthiwa amaNdebele avelaphi amaNdebele, ukuze kuthiwa amaswazi avelaphi amaswazi, ukuze kube nelisuthu namhlanje avelaphi abesuthu. So izinto the nation, those nations are intertwined. Ziyaphila, ziyaphilisana.
So isida yona i-provider business support development, because kwamanye amabhizinisi uyathola ukuthi abantu baku-startup, you need to understand how to prepare financials, you need to understand how to do reordering, you need to understand how to market your business. That is business development support. You need a mentor to take you through the product life cycle. That is what SIDA will give you. And then you have SIFA. SIFA wona gives you development finance. Let's say usuyile kaSida, now usudinga imali ukuthi uqale usebenze. That is what we do. So within SIFA, we have different channels. So we have a direct lending channel, and then we also have a wholesale channel, we have a microfinance channel, and then we have programs. So within direct lending, ila wena okwaziyo uzozibolekela nebhizinisi lakho uza kuthina directly. Bese kuthi ku-wholesale ila sinikeza iy'nkampani ezingama-intermediaries ukuthi ziniboleke because zona zinama-resources in terms of systems, in terms of reach. They have offices across different areas. And then kwi-microfinance ilaba amabhizinisi abancane sinikeza bona bese niyoboleka kubona. So within direct lending, we have different products. We have asset finance, we have term loans. Under asset finance, you could be looking at, maybe let's say you are in the logistics space, you want to buy a truck, you want to buy you are in agriculture, you want to buy a planter, then you can get that product under asset finance. The reason why siyifaka under asset finance because izoba ne-barcode or even a registration number. So the asset akuyona yakho until you pay us. So we have to register an installment sale agreement, which means that izoba ikaSIFA, kodwa wena uzobe uyisebenzisa. Imikhokhela after 5 years, izobhala uSIFA for 5 years. The day you finish paying, then it becomes yours. It's the same thing as imoto. Uyothenga imoto, uyabona kuze kube khona ngisho umuntu okusayinelayo until uzuqeda ukuyikhokhela. So this is what we do under asset finance. Then we have term loans. Here, with my term loans, you are buying movable assets like your furniture, angana barcode, stock, working capital. Then sizokunika under term loan. Then sibe namanye ama-products under bridging and contract. Lana ke ilaba abantu mhlambe let's say uthole a-contract from a mining company to supply something. Maybe there's a purchase order involved or uthole tender to build RDP houses. Then you can decide to take a bridging loan. A bridging loan yona ke isebenza kanjena, we approve a facility for you, but sizovula control bank account where all the funds will flow until we are repaid. Because masingathatha imali sinikeze imali, remember, let's say it's construction, it's paid on milestones. You achieve a certain milestone, you go and claim, or you get the work certified, and then you go and claim, you wait for the invoice. While you're waiting for the invoice, then we bridge you there so that you continue to the next milestone, because you have foundation, you have wall plates, you have roof, you have all the other finishings that you have to do. That is how bridging finance.
So, if there is one thing I would like to conscientize people, especially politicians, I'll forget that I know you. So, there's Africa is a developing country. There's so many methods and these English words they use for Africa, and they want us to follow the American criteria. Like uma usebenzisa indlela zase-America ukudila ne-country edevelopayo ayihlangani neze. We only got our democracy 33 years ago, or that was yesterday. But some of these criteria, when you look at them, you ask yourself, who's going to meet that criteria? So I really hope that the NCR she mentioned, when SIDA and SIFA meshed together, the cooperative bank
company called SoftStart was fortunate enough to win the tender to establish an incubator in the Free State called Botshabelo Digital Hub. I thought I should just give that background quickly. Now, basically, SoftStart BTI is our mother as Botshabelo Digital Hub, but obviously, if you had to go to CIPC and look for Botshabelo Digital Hub, you won't find that name. Is not a registered entity. It's just a name that all these other partners that you see at the bottom agreed to use the name Botshabelo Digital Hub because it was a number of, as you can see, it's multiple stakeholders, and they could not really reach an agreement and consensus in terms of the actual name to be used. Because the Mangaung Metro had been here before, and they were very keen to establish an incubator of SIFA and many other stakeholders out there. Why do we incubate? It starts right at the bottom, with an idea that you might have. So the whole concept of incubation is that let's move you from that ideation stage to full commercialization over a period of time. Our incubation period is 3 years. You might be in manufacturing, you might be having your own hair salon, you might be having something else. But we always believe that there's that element of innovation that you can come up with in your business. I'm sure Sis Babala would obviously go to a salon, but I don't know, okay, because she's an MP. Maybe now, just a phone call opens many other doors for her. She steps in, she gets attended to almost immediately, and then go home. But for how many of you go to the salon and spend the entire day at the salon? When the salon owner could have just come up with a very simple innovation of an app that will actually give an appointment. To say, no, look, obviously today, through the same app, you're able to see, okay, no, there are these openings. She's got a client at 7:30. There's an opening between 9:30 and 11 o'clock. Let me book that spot. So those are simple things that can bring into your business as part of innovation. So no business out there can actually not innovate. Are we together, Melbourne? So this is why we come in, as an ICT hub and also as incubators. So it all starts with that idea, and there's a criteria that we follow to incubate you. You don't just come and fill in the forms. You can come and fill in the forms. There'll be an advert in the next 2 to 3 days that we're going to release on our socials. We want to invite new companies on board to come and be part of our incubation program. But obviously you submit, and then I think the CEO spoke about confidentiality and all that.
Right,
So,
bezime kanjalo ke
strict-
Soft Start, Emitrend, Amadlomo Spushana, Family Tree, Asphalt. Thina ke sihlubi online news. Asulugoqo hlelo. Sivale kanje. Asiphinde sihlangane ngokuzayo.